Okay, folks, my name is Dave, and I'm here at the garage visiting with Frank, and I've got a hidden camera. And they don't realize I'm shooting this, but I'm here to tell you that this is all fake. Okay, this wall over here of tools, it's a painted backdrop. It's hard to tell that. The motorcycles, I've inspected a couple of them, are paper mache and plastic. They're not real. I believe there's a room of script writers. This is all scripted. These two gentlemen are actors.
Hey Kevin, we're supposed to use the shiny tool today. Yeah, use
Which shiny? This shiny tool?
That shiny. Use that shiny tool on the thingamajig, and
This up here?
No. Go down underneath and pretend to on the. That'll do. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Pretend you're doing that, and then.
Okay, see what I'm talking
good.
about?
Okay, you're good. Okay.
Even the clear tube up
All right.
there,
All
it's
right.
not actually tubage.
Anyway, yeah. Try to work harder and faster. With it.
So,
You know, you ain't paying me enough to take this.
yes, this, as we can see, this is all fake, and there is a large security guard coming up behind me right now. So,